Hello，各位朋友，歡迎翻到嚟我嘅頻道啊！我係大魚頭解說啊。咁呢場咧，亦都係接住上一集啦，係 KBC 嘅一場 special game 啊，係
Xuan, known to be
特
aggressive,
殊
comes with 3
嘅
bet,
高額國際賽啊，有我
20,000.
哋比較中意嘅一眾中國選手啦，中國香港選手啦，仲有係我哋叫做一直都比較關注度高嘅 Tom DeWang 啦，
I believe the
以前
800
係
is
非常
on as
靚仔
well,
㗎，
so
呢
playing
期
2
真
for
係
8
年紀大咗，睇佢面容都略有啲潮
down.
水啊，加上上段時間呢，亦都話
Quick
佢
call, we're going
精
heads
神方
up.
面出咗啲問題啊，但係咧後面最
41-4.
近呢段時間咧好多嘅呢啲比賽啊都邀請佢去參加嘅，咁亦都帶
A
嚟
lot
一
of
波嘅
terrible
流
flop
量
now.
啦，
10 bet
同
shot back
埋
to a flush
咧
draw.
亦都令佢再次喺呢個德州撲克呢個競技圈咧再次有比較
Xuan
高嘅
working
活
with the
躍
king
度
of
嘅。
spades.
咁
Doesn't
我哋睇翻
love
呢
the
手
flop
牌
and
啦，剩
bet,
低
but
係
knockout
Elton 同
hands
埋
similar
譚
to
老闆
his.
嘅 A9同花同埋 KJ 嘅。咁喺呢度位咧翻牌就325啦，咁大家都冇中咩牌嘅。Elton 咧可能跟多咗一張同花嘅，面上邊咧肯定係 A 市大啲嘅啦，但係咧雙方同花嘅牌嚟睇牌面嘅話，都係一齊都係有3張嘅，咁啊
Gets
打個
check
平手啦。
raised.
咁
Just relentless
譚
aggression
老
here from
闆咧繼
Elton
續
to
開
start.
槍嘅，咁但係 Elton 咧亦都唔慣住你喎，再 raise 到
I
咗
like
加
the
注到咗
sizing as
4萬
well.
嘅。
It's really annoying
咁
targeting
譚老
hands
闆
like
諗
this
諗
that
下
have
啦，
to
呢
stay
鑊嘢
betting.
真係點解咧？係咪加呢啲注咧？你又同我加，到底咩回事啊？肯定讀牌覺得你喺加二嘅位置入嚟，我喺 CO 位係咪？
What is Ted
咁你喺
Schwen
前
thinking
位
about?
咁樣打法，咁你可能係一個 A high 嘅牌面㗎啦，咁可能佢會讀到㗎啦。
Calling is a little bit ambitious.
點辦咧？點辦咧？係咪？面對呢個手加注，唉，
He
諗
has
過
that
啦，可
look,
能
man.
好糾結啊佢。
Chewing the
我估
gum.
佢按照佢一貫嘅風格，你
Oh
真係點講咧？
lord.
喂，
Flop 3 bet.
好似打
Take
好
it
大咩？呢
down.
呢
Are you
呢呢
kidding
隻籌
me?
碼係咩意思啊？哦，
Wow.
放棄抵抗啊！面對佢嘅
It's
手
above
加
the
注啊，
rim.
攞低咗呢個
40K. Get yourself a
4萬
spin.
嘅底池同埋一條魷魚嘅。
You saw Wang Ye
果
just
然係點
chuckling.
講咧？譚老闆嘅一貫嘅風格，哎呀你啊係咪？加少少注
Pocket
嘅
eights
理由
now.
同我打，繼續打係咪？咁你到時有乜料啊？咁我一槍打死你啦咁。睇翻呢手牌啦，唉，黃葉啊，黃葉攞到呢手咩咧？一
Going
對
up.
白牌面好靚喎，直接 raise 到咗6000啦。係分分起牌添，對住呢手做咗呢個好
Folding
強
around.
嘅強勢嘅隔離加注啊！咁 Victor K7亦都，唉，一手打通晒，完全係冇法抵抗，全部人都放晒氣晒啊！
这就是以前那种片子里那种坏人嘛，有个黑色的很大的对那个毛。
誒，真係啊！呢班友好似都好歡樂下喎。
是我的下面一个，
对呀，是这个嘛。对，下面
还有一个你不知道吗？
哦，我知道。对，那里有个刺，然后有个很長的毛。
这个地方长得
248.
哪个地方是吧？
好，我哋
I
睇
think
翻
they're talking
呢一
about
手
his
牌
singing
啦，
voice.
發完牌啦，Q 二同花，Q 二同花咁啊，
多黑取決定多壞嘛。
I mean, Wang
Cách
Ye
nào
does
thay
look
thế.
like a pop star. Maybe, you know, they're talking about his singing.
喺度講緊喉嚨有問題咩？喺度話黃葉呢度話呢啲牌面睇落都唔係好對路喎。
Okay.
SD 王呢啲
Everyone
3啊
behaving.
，Q3同花 A4啊，呢
Elton's gonna
啲
make the courtesy change.
好似個個都入晒嚟，未有人開始㗎呢度，睇下大家都翻牌先啦咁。睇下可以將邊啲打低 A 市中咗話，有2張咩喎？
We went 7 ways to a
2
flop
張
of
同花嘅
ace
牌喎，
king 9.
有冇人中啊
Top pair.
？A 市中咗，有人中咗， Tom 到灣係中咗 Ace 嘅，喂，好多人開始起牌啦，嗰啲魚毛係咪？
Facing a
咁
bet from
冇辦法
Wang
抵抗㗎啦，見到呢咁嘅牌面曬大冧啦，
has some ambitious backdoors.
就係入嚟碰下運氣，睇下翻牌嘅啫係咪？後 Elton 已經走人啦，唔搞啦4-3呢咁嘅垃圾牌係咪？咁睇翻台面剩低黃葉嘅 Q2喎，
None of
咦
those come
呢手嘢
in. Although the board does get a little bit
出
more
嚟張8
worrisome
喎，
for ace
8
4 of
9
spade.
King Ace 乜都冇，
没三玩到
七大出咗張咩喎紅心嘅牌喎，係同花面嚟嘅喎。at 啦，Tom 到灣揾一手，我睇下你咩嘢先咁啊。喂，呢手要 bluff 開始嘅咯
这那个怎么办？
Another bullet. 9K.
喎，9000，Tom 到灣點玩啊 ？A4，面對住呢個可能打
Not
唔過喎。
particularly easy for Dur, although he does get kind of sticky in these
我
spots.
睇呢手加住唔係好大，跟落去睇睇咩回事先啦。咁
On cue.
睇下啲打幾多啊？係啊，call 住咗佢啫，係一個平 call 嚟嘅。咁睇下最後係出呢張5，
Break.
呢張牌都冇咁擔心係咪？
Wang Yang
咁
left with
可以搏一手嘅呢手。咁黃葉呢手應該 bluff 到底㗎啦，開手大啲嘅注啦，打幾大咧？依家係
give
6
up.
9，
29-6 to Dur.
佢直接放棄啦呢手，喂 bluff 唔住啦，
Get
冇得辦
yourself
法
a
玩。
third squid as well.
好，
Penalties
好似
do
唔
go up on
錯
3,
喎，Tom 到灣呢
5,
幾手打
and
到
7
上
squids
期幾手 all in 係
respectively.
咪？無法無
Up
損
100K
啊，都咩嘅，攞到啲價值出嚟嘅。咁依家嘅話上嚟第一手亦都係打得唔錯啊，Tom 到灣。好，睇下一手牌啊，Tom 到灣好似睇佢台面多到3條魷魚㗎啦，已
Straddles
經
live.
喺魷魚呢個上邊呢一圈打得唔錯啊。好，睇下呢手 AJ 應該考慮跟或者入
First
raise 咗
sight
啦
with Bryn Kenny.
，raise 咗到5000。
5,000.
做先隔離一下啲友先啦，咁 ST 王冇人跟啦，係咪？
First appearance here.
6-5要跟咩？
PPC live, at least the
冇
live
跟咯
stream.
吧，係咪？
Sure, he's
陣子
made
面太
appearances
細
before.
啦，
Games off camera.
係果然亦都唔跟啦，95，唉，冇搞啦，95至尊咩大佬？真係咁乜嘢
We're
咩？
seeing Bryn Kenny versus Tom
95搭
Dwan.
色喎，跟上去
Victor gets
KJ
out
都
the
唔
way.
要，
Elton, 7 deuce.
而唔使睇啦
Let's see
吧
if that 7
，Elton
deuce game
Elton
is
都入去咩？
on. He goes
仲
for
要
it
諗，唔
again.
使諗啦，唉，
No.
好嬲喎，直接將牌抌咗去，面都 show 埋出嚟。
哇，你真的
King 9 suited. Wang Yang.
黃葉咧
Not bad
K9
spot.
同花 K9 同花應該
Got
入去睇下嘅
aggressive.
佢，
I
肯定
like
會。
this.
誒點樣 raise 咩？呢3張係咩嘢嚟㗎？
Another thing of note is that this is the last
3萬
hand
咩呢度係？
of this squid
係喎，
round. So
真
King
係
is
3 bet 咗
probably
3萬，
thinking
咁
Bryn is a
咁
little
咁
bit
咁呢
wider
度
than normal.
Brian 點搞啊？
Trying to
胡蘇佬
garner himself a squid,
Brian
avoid
啊，
the penalty.
之前嗰排都 KBC 嘅
in
比賽入邊，誒跟上咗喎，跟咗上去。上嗰排上嗰排嘅比賽都冇見到有阿胡蘇佬 Brian 嘅出現嘅，呢一手就出嚟啦。我哋睇下佢嘅表現係點樣啦。
25K more for Dur to call.
啱到哇95，面對呢啲咁嘅架住自己一手咁嘅垃圾牌就放棄啦，仲要睇，唉唔使
All
睇
right, we're going
啦，
heads up.
係咪？
Wang versus
咁我哋再睇落啦，睇
Bryn
翻得翻咩
Kenny.
嘢
Bryn
牌
Kenny
啦
probably a little bit
，K9 同
suspicious
埋
of that
AJ
three
嘅，
bet. Gets
誒喂，
outflopped, however. King 6-6.
呢條翻牌有
Wang probably
一
gonna
對
start with
六
something
同埋一隻 King，
small.
咁黃葉中咗頂對嘅，咁對於 Brian 嚟講情況有啲急轉直下咁喎，一翻牌就有啲順子嘅可能性，但係可能性已經非常之低啦。面對呢16000嘅加注，不過好細嘅加注啫，
Wang Yang
啊釣魚嘅
denies
係咪？
Bryn a
唉，但係我唔
squid.
同你玩啊，Brian 啊胡蘇佬，
Take it down,
呢
Wang Yang.
手都算係比較好嘅氣牌啦。睇到咁嘅狀況，好睇翻 積分牌啦，Tom 到話喂。積分係最高嘅盈利嘅 Victor， 跟住譚老闆，跟住黃葉 ST 王同埋其他人咧都係喺水下邊㗎啦。目前嚟講嘅話係 Tom 到灣遙遙領先喎，並且佢哋嘅入池率都係好高喎。
Victor also up
好，我哋
96
先睇到呢度啊，
Chen,
下一期我哋再見啦，
40K
點關注啊，
Wang,
下期再見。